routine?
I'd say at least an hour.
A civil authority has issued shelter-in-place warning for the following counties or areas. Sumner, Tennessee, at 3 p.m. on Jan 7, 2019, effective until 4:45 p.m. Persons in Westmoreland must shelter in place now. There is a gas leak near Highway 52. Evacuations are undergoing near Highway 52. To shelter in place, go inside, close all windows and doors, turn off all heaters, air conditioners and fans, cover cracks around doors and windows with tape or damp towels.